Imagine pulling into a racetrack, a luxury RV resort, or a scenic destination somewhere deep in the mountains. As you arrive, conversations stop, heads turn, cameras come out, people gather just to get a closer look. Not because you've arrived in an ordinary motorhome, but because you're driving something that looks like it belongs in a Hollywood movie, a professional racing paddock, and a luxury penthouse all at the same time. Today we're taking a look at one of the most incredible custom motorhome combinations on the road, the 2026 S&S Peterbilt 389 rear bedroom motorhome paired with a massive 40-foot Liftgate Race trailer, better known as a Stealth. This isn't just transportation. It isn't simply an RV. It's a complete luxury lifestyle built around freedom, adventure, and the ability to take absolutely everything you need wherever the road leads. From the moment you first see the Stealth, it's impossible not to be impressed. The iconic Peterbilt 389 front end immediately dominates the scene with its legendary long-nose design, gleaming chrome details, and commanding road presence. There are trucks, there are motorhomes, and then there's this. Every angle of the coach has been designed to make a statement. The polished exterior reflects light beautifully, while the custom finish creates a premium look that feels both modern and timeless. What makes this setup so special is that it doesn't blend into the background like most motorhomes. Whether it's parked at a motorsports event, a luxury campground, or simply at a fuel stop along the highway, it naturally becomes a center of attention. People don't just glance at it, they stop and admire it. And once you understand what's inside, it's easy to see why. Stepping through the entry door feels less like entering an RV and more like walking into a luxury apartment. The first thing you'll notice is the incredible sense of space. Everything feels open, bright, and welcoming. Large windows allow natural light to flood the interior, creating an atmosphere that instantly feels comfortable. The premium materials throughout the coach add a level of refinement that you simply don't expect from something designed to travel across the country. The living area has been carefully designed to become a true home away from home. Comfortable seating creates the perfect place to relax after a long day on the road, whether you're watching a movie, catching up with family, or simply enjoying the scenery outside. The attention to detail is evident everywhere you look. From the cabinetry to the flooring, every surface feels solid, durable, and beautifully finished. One of the biggest challenges in any motorhome is balancing luxury with practicality, but the Stealth manages to do both exceptionally well. Storage has been integrated throughout the coach in a way that feels natural and unobtrusive. You can bring everything needed for long-term travel without sacrificing comfort or living space. That's especially important for owners who spend weeks or even months exploring different destinations throughout the year. Image 6. Residential-style kitchen. As you move further inside, the kitchen area continues a premium experience. This isn't a small RV kitchenette designed only for quick meals. It's a residential-style cooking space that allows you to prepare everything from a simple breakfast before an early departure to a full dinner after a long day of adventure. The countertops provide generous preparation space, while the appliances offer the convenience and functionality you'd expect in a modern home. Storage cabinets are positioned throughout the kitchen, providing room for groceries, cookware, and all the essentials required for extended travel. Everything feels thoughtfully arranged, making daily life on the road remarkably easy. It's one of those spaces that quickly makes you forget you're actually inside a motorhome. Continuing through the coach, we arrive at one of the most important areas for long-term comfort, the bathroom. Just like the rest of the interior, it has been designed with both luxury and functionality in mind. High-quality fixtures, smart storage solutions, and a spacious shower help create an environment that feels far more upscale than many traditional RVs. After a long day driving across the country or spending time at a race event, having a comfortable and well-designed bathroom makes a tremendous difference. At the rear of the motorhome, we discover one of the most impressive features of the entire coach, the private rear bedroom. This space has been designed to serve as a true retreat. The large bed immediately becomes a focal point, offering the kind of comfort needed after long days of travel. Storage compartments and wardrobe provide plenty of room for clothing and personal belongings, while the carefully planned lighting creates a warm and relaxing atmosphere. It's easy to imagine waking up here with mountain views outside your window, enjoying a quiet morning coffee beside a lake, or preparing for another exciting day at a motorsports event. This isn't simply a place to sleep. It's a place to recharge, relax, and enjoy the freedom that comes with life on the road. And while the motorhome itself is already impressive, what truly transforms this setup into something extraordinary is the enormous 40-foot Liftgate Race trailer following behind. This trailer dramatically expands the capabilities of the Stealth and opens a door to countless possibilities. For racing enthusiasts, it becomes the ultimate mobile garage capable of transporting race cars, motorcycles, tools, equipment, spare parts, and everything needed for competition weekends. The integrated liftgate system makes loading and unloading far easier than traditional enclosed trailers. Whether you're transporting a race car, a classic collector vehicle, high-performance motorcycles, or specialized equipment, the process is efficient, practical, and professional. But the trailer isn't limited to racing. That's what makes this combination so versatile. Owners can use the space for luxury cars, off-road vehicles, business equipment, mobile workshops, or virtually any recreational setup imaginable. It transforms a Stealth from an already luxurious motorhome into a complete mobile headquarters capable of supporting almost any lifestyle or passion. Together, the Peterbilt motorhome and the race trailer create something truly unique. It's a luxury home, a professional transport vehicle, a mobile office, and a rolling garage all combined into one extraordinary package. Very few RV setups on the market can offer this level of versatility while maintaining such an impressive level of luxury and comfort. Perhaps the most remarkable thing about the Stealth isn't any single feature. It's the experience it creates. Imagine arriving at your destination after a day on the road. You park one of the most eye-catching vehicles in the country. You unload your favorite car or motorcycle from the trailer. You prepare dinner in a beautiful kitchen, relax in a comfortable living room, and end the evening in a private luxury bedroom. The next morning, you're ready to do it all again in a completely new location. That's the lifestyle this motorhome represents. Freedom without compromise, adventure without sacrificing comfort, the ability to bring your passions, your hobbies, and your home along for every journey. The 2026 S&S Peterbilt 389 rear bedroom motorhome and 40-foot liftgate race trailer combo isn't simply a vehicle. It's a statement about living life on your own terms. Combining iconic Peterbilt styling, luxury accommodations, premium craftsmanship, and unmatched versatility, the Stealth delivers an experience that few motorhomes in the world can match. Now we'd love to hear your thoughts. If this incredible motorhome and trailer combination was sitting in your driveway tomorrow, where would your first adventure take you? Let us know down in the comments below. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another amazing motorhome review. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.